SteelMart started in 1992. We started out in the used and surplus steel. Over the years, our customers began asking us for stock length, better quality. So we started buying from mills, bringing in material. And then our customers started asking us if we could cut steel. We knew that we needed to bring in newer equipment with better gauging, more precision. And we turned to Trilogy to purchase a 220-ton punch. So we started out with that punch. After that, we started buying a 70-ton notcher coper. We could quickly lay out angles, cope and notch them. We have a 130-ton general purpose punch. We can put multiple slotted punches. It's more of a utility punch to our go-to for whatever type of material we need to handle. When we purchased the 220-ton punch, it came with offline software. SteelMart has the ability to send the program to our shop floor. The operator can then pull up the program, make the part. He's ready to roll with parts. We find that it speeds things up. Trilogy sent the software ahead of time, and we did training before the machine even got here. So when the machine showed up, we were ready to roll. It was plug and play. Equipment is heavy duty. You compare it to some of the other things on the market, and the other stuff looks like toys. They have a lot of options for their equipment. So if you say, hey, I want to bend a piece of plate, or I need to cut it a certain way, they really go to work for you, come up with a solution to where you can make the part. It fits their equipment, it's compatible, instructions on how to set it up, and let the options fit your equipment. We're excited to see what new products they have. Whatever we can look at, if there's something that we need, we always call them up.